Thing's loose. Toilet. See that?
Thing's loose. Wow, yeah. So she fell on it, huh?
She fell backwards. She did it again this morning.
Yo, you gotta be careful, man. That poor lady's gonna... Alright, so you want to do a new toilet? Because this is not a handicap. I could, I could probably fix the flange, but, the handicap toilet will be higher.
Yeah, how much higher?
17 inches off the floor.
It is 17?
Yeah.
Let's measure that. I think that's more than 17
Well, that is higher, probably, but...
Will it be an energy saver? Use less water?
Yeah. 1.2 gallons. But that thing's really loose. She must have broke the bolts or the flange.
The bolt was all rusted. It broke off. Well, that's only 19. That's 19.
Well, 17, and then the seat will probably be 18. So that's about right,
Yeah.
And we could reuse these. We could reuse these bars. We could reuse these bars.
Get rid of these?
No. Well, I would hang on to them.
Yeah. All right.
We can adjust them.
Yeah.
But why don't I get you a new toilet?
All right.
And because I got to pull this one off anyway.
Yeah.
So it don't make sense to put this back. And it'll be good. You get rid of that funky looking thing. What's up with this?
Oh, that's. I have to take that out every week to clean, because if she gets.
That gets dirty.
If she has diarrhea or something.
All right. Well, never mind. Let me go get another toilet.
It'll be a good one.
No, I'm gonna buy you a piece of junk.
I know, you're doing that.
Oh, that's how it comes off.
See?
Oh, I see. It cranks. All right, I'm gonna buy you a good toilet. Of course, I'm gonna buy you a good one. It'll be an elongated. See how this one's round front? I'll get an elongated, a handicap height. Okay?
Okay.
All right, new handicap toilet, 12-inch rough. Slow close seat, elongated. That's how I bring it in the house right there. My tires never go flat. That's what was in there. And these slots here, they don't have the big space to slide the bolts in, so I'm probably going to go with closet screws into the floor on this one. I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Drill a hole with that bit. I'll screw these into the floor. If there's a good floor here, I could use these.
The new one or the old one?
It's a new one.
There's a light to put on there.
Yeah, probably 1 3/4 inches. Want to make sure we're nice and square, which we are. Lock 2 nuts together and then we can back it right in there. I'm putting these, screwing these, the floor's good, so I could use these. And instead of changing the flange, that'll be a real job. think that's going in. So.
Where do you dump these old toilets? Up the dump?
I throw them in a dumpster somewhere.
Do you?
Yeah, where I buy the toilet.
Yeah.
The guy will let me throw them in there if I smash them up with a sledge.
Oh.
I throw them in there and smash them up with a sledgehammer.
Yeah.
And then they'll just they don't take up no room if you do that.
Was that rotted underneath, Steve? Where you
The bolts were rotted. See it? The steel bolts.
Yeah, but
they weren't brass.
I mean the hole where you're putting them in.
No, but this one don't have a slot, so I have to do it this way. Either that or change the flange. I'd rather just do it this way. It's easier. This will work fine.
I don't doubt your word.
Man of my calibration. You know? Do what you gotta do to make it happen. That's pretty much my motto, right?
Yeah.
If this don't work, I'll put a new flange, but this will save you a lot of aggravation. Or save me a lot of aggravation, I should say.
As long as it lasts as long as we do.
Oh yeah, I would do this in my own house if this was the situation I was in. Boom, this is what I would do.
Is that right? You own your own home?
Yeah, I do. Yep. Been there since I've been 18.
18? Since you've been 18?
Actually 17.
Is that right? You was married, right?
Yeah, one time.
Yeah.
Put that in, turn the hot water on, soften it up a little bit.
Leave it in the plastic?
Yeah, leave it right in there. We'll heat it up with the hot water and then it'll be soft. It's cold in my truck right now, so.
My grandson just got a new puppy. And it's about, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
They took it for its shot and had it spayed. The female had it spayed and got a chip put in the back of its neck.
Oh, really?
I'll let you.
Oh, yeah, we don't, I just have to soften it up a little bit.
Now with all the movement in that toilet,
We ain't gonna move anymore, not when I'm done.
how come it didn't leak? Here, use this. Put that over there in case you need it.
I'd rather just use this, because that stuff there you can't flush. Oh, I just don't use this.
Is that a phone?
That's my camera.
Okay.
Making a little video shooting of my work.
More efficient.
1.2 gallons.
You got a washer under there, Steve.
Washroom to where? That'll be alright. You got any Fantastic or something? I'll just spray in the back there. I'll clean that mess up a little bit.
That sticks out more than the other one, doesn't it?
Well, a little bit, not much. It's elongated to give you a little bit more room here.
Yeah.
Okay? Get a Fantastic or something?
Yeah, I got something better than that.
Yeah, it ain't so bad. Come clean. What do you got there? Kaboom?
Yeah.
Oh, that stuff's purple.
Oh yeah, when it turns white, it'll be. Well, when it turns the color goes, it's done its job.
It changes color?
Yeah.
It's a chameleon.
Yeah.
Boy, it is kind of weird.
Yeah, but it works. Will the back of the toilet be away from the wall?
Well, probably might be a little bit, you know. Should be a 12-inch rough. This was like 13, so I had to go with this toilet. I couldn't go with anything else. It is what it is.
Yeah.
You know? If it was 12-inch rough off the wall, it would probably be really close, but toilets on always perfect, you know? So you had a good Thanksgiving, brother?
Yeah, I did.
I could use this one more.
Huh?
No, let me use this one.
Is that gonna rust?
No, it's all brass stuff. This stuff don't rust.
That washes brass too?
Yep. That's what comes with the closet bolts. That won't rot. Oh, no, well, where you going? Leave it right on the car. I'm going to hook it on the car.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What way?
Get out of the way.
You're making more work for me.
Steve,
Yeah.
is your daughter get married?
Not yet. I'm hoping soon, though.
You got a girlfriend?
Oh, yeah. I got a whole bunch of them.
Oh, you're quite a man.
How many do you want? I'm just gonna put the seat on and the cover and I'm done. Slow close. So she needs these handles, huh?
You gotta have those handles.
Yeah, because if not, forget it. We can adjust them. They should be adjustable. Look at that. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are nice. You just make a couple of moves and boom. You know? Adjust them right down to what you want. Look at that. So you happy with that? That's fine, right?
Yeah.
Flushes. 1.2 gallon. Now, you're gonna take this sticker off, or do you want me to? You'll take it off. Church, it's a good seat. Slow close. Look at the bolts; they're all rotted right out. That's what happens when you use steel.
Well, one of them was broken right in half. Yeah.
All right.
I don't know who the hell put them in there.
So that's it. Your wife can't keep falling on the toilet. That's not. She's gonna have to get her a walker if she's.
Another walker.
Oh, this is lower though.
Is that gonna work for you?
Hope so. It'll work for me, but
Looks fine. Yeah, them things are a little flimsy, huh?
well, if you put it in one notch more there.
Well, I think that. I don't. You want me to
be open that much?
You want me to put them in one more?
No. No, I don't know if she'd be able to fit that.
She might be too wide for that. If we go in there.
Yeah, if it does, I'll just put it in another notch.
Just click them
Because I
in.
take them out all the time.
Yeah, that's just to stabilize yourself.
Yeah.
But yeah, if I go in too much, she might not fit. I don't know.
No.
I think she's not that wide, is she?
No.
She's too wide. I get rid of her. I'm only
You
kidding.
hear that, man? See, that makes it better.
Does it? Wait, go in.
He said if you get too wide, get rid of you.
Yeah, that's better. I'm just joking, guy.
You want a bit of white?
I'm a kiddo.